Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Visual Studio 2022 or later, and a GitHub account. Once done, open extensions and install GitHub Copilot. This is the first actionable step. Next, sign in to GitHub inside Visual Studio so Copilot can access your account. Make sure your license or trial is active and grant the extension permissions. Finally, restart Visual Studio if prompted. This activates the extension and prepares the editor to generate suggestions as you type. Once the extension is active, open your solution so Copilot has context. You should configure behavior in Tools Options GitHub Copilot, set suggestion frequency, and whether you prefer inline completions or the pane. Then, begin coding. Type a comment or function signature and watch suggestions appear. You can accept a suggestion with Tab, cycle alternatives with Control plus Enter, and request completions for selected lines. Make sure to review for style and security, because Copilot suggests, but you decide what to include. To finish, review Copilot output carefully, run unit tests, and perform static analysis before committing changes. Once you're confident, accept and refactor suggestions to match your codebase standards. If Copilot stops suggesting, re-authenticate your GitHub account, restart Visual Studio, and ensure your network or proxy allows extension traffic. Also check extension updates and logs under Extensions Manage Extensions. If problems persist, temporarily disable other IntelliSense extensions to isolate conflicts. This often resolves suggestion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.